Today I'm checking out this 15 amp power plug port that was sent to me so I could do this review. I'm going to take it out of the box, we're going to check it out, and I'll show you what I plan on using this for. So once you take everything out of the box, this is what you're going to find. You're going to get this little one-page user manual that goes over basically all the specs on the product. You're going to have the cable itself, the outlet. It does come with a nice silicone type rubber gasket that you put in between the plug and wherever you're mounting it to keep it waterproof. And then it does come with also the screws to mount this. So I'm going to be putting this on my boat. I'm going to drill a hole. It does do a standard 2-inch hole. So if you have a standard 2-inch hole drill bit, then you can just drill that 2-inch hole and this should slide right into it. If for some reason you don't, you can use this gasket that it comes with to create yourself a template to cut that out. You can use jigsaw, whatever. And then this will be mounted somewhere on the outside that's easy accessible. You just plug in your extension cord right there and it will power whatever you need. And again, in my scenario, I'm going to have an onboard battery charger in my boat that's actually going to be really hard to get to. So I was thinking of, leaving a wire hanging out. I didn't want to do that. So while I'm in there packing that battery charger in there, I'm going to drill this hole on the outside so I can connect to it, and then I'm going to run the plug to this. That way everything will be hidden out of the way. It will look like, OEM factory done, and I'll have easy access to be able to just plug this thing in when I put it in storage, and it keeps my batteries topped off. So since I will be drilling through aluminum on my boat, I wanted to give myself a little trial run. So I just used the box and cut a little hole, and it fit in perfect, looks the way I want. Everything's good. And then this is basically what you'd see on the outside. You just have this flip up tab and that's it. You would just see this on the outside. And it's a nice looking tab, definitely has good spring to it. I think this is gonna look great. Then of course on the inside where I have this charger mounted, I'll just have this side of the plug plugged in, and I'll have all this tucked away inside the boat. And the only thing that will be even visible will be this. So that will be very nice and clean. And that will help me keep my trolling motor batteries topped off. So when we want to go fishing, we just unplug it, hook it up, and go. I hope this information was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.